Hi, my name is Dawn, and a lot of you call me Spice Dawn, and I am old enough to remember actually owning a typewriter that has these little, look real close, look how cute that is. See all these little flipper flappers? They would come up, slap, 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 and slap the letter or number onto your paper, okay? I owned something like this and had this little thing and you go, and then, you know, you'd use, I don't even know if they had whiteout. Did they have whiteout back then? I'm 54, but like I had one of these. So this was kind of cool. Well, then when I was in high school, I was one of the very first typing classes. I only had one business class typing and that was it. Who would think? It was this big Selectric and it had this little ball. And that was the coolest thing. But it was so neat to see the new warmer of the month. It has a cute little name. It is called Qwerty. Because if you look at your keyboard, that is what it says on the keys. Kinda clever. I would say very, very clever, home office. So this is pretty cool. It is an element warmer. You have Scentsy on the back. You have the little red indicator light that turns on when it's lit. And on the side, you will see over here, here's the little keys that go slap, slap, slap. And this lifts up. Now, I would be careful lifting this. Use the leverage of the little thingies on the side to help you lift it nicely. That's where your wax cubes go. The dish does fit like this, but that would be backwards. Like I had it on and off a few times and I put it on like, it looks funny. Oh yeah, because it's backwards. So, isn't that cute? See where the little smell comes out, the little scent holes? La 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 la, they come right out there. So this is pretty cute and hand painted, you know, like there's a lot of detail put in here. Somebody did a lot of nice work on Qwerty. Nice and compact. Like really, it just fits in the palm of Colin's hand. Because Colin's hand's bigger than mine. But this is perfect for a desk. Perfect. Office, desk, nostalgia room, vintage room, adorable. Way, way cuter in person than I ever thought it was going to be. So if you're a consultant and you have not signed up yet for the Warmer of the Month kit, you might want to jump on that because this is pretty cool. And now you've seen all the little details. I'm sure your customers are going to love it just as much as mine will. Here is the scent of the month, and it is called Cambridge. And it's nice. And it is kind of a more what I would consider a manly smell. But it's a good one, okay? Pretty nice. So there you have it. Take care.